Once upon a time, in the frosty North Pole, resided Saint Nicholas, better known as Santa Claus. He still lives there, alongside Mrs. Claus, the elves, and the reindeer. Santa, ever the busy man, was organizing presents with his trusty elves. This Christmas, however, was set to be unique. Santa was about to receive a remarkable gift of his own. On a chilly evening, a charming little reindeer came into the world. His name was Rudy, and he was unlike the other reindeer. He was born with a radiant red nose. Yet, Rudy couldn't grasp what made him extraordinary. Have you spotted Rudy? How peculiar is his nose? So vivid and red, almost clown-like, and it's quite large. No other reindeer has such a prominent, glossy nose. It looks rather amusing. All the reindeer teased Rudy about his nose, unaware of how much it hurt him. Rudy was always downcast about being different and felt excluded. Why did I end up with such a glaring red nose? Everyone mocks me. Nobody wants to play with me. I'm useless. But Rudy would soon discover that his nose was, in fact, a blessing. That very night was Christmas Eve. Santa was rallying his reindeer for their global journey. The elves were bustling about. Some were shoveling snow, while others were loading Santa's sack with gifts and reviewing the naughty and nice list. Ho, ho, ho! All right, team. Time's running short before we depart. Yes, they're all preparing. What about you? Where's your outfit? Have you groomed your beard and hair? Yes, I'm about to do that. Don't fret. It won't take long. My dear, you've got mere minutes left. And every year we're resizing your suit larger and larger. Ho, ho, ho! Ha, ha, ha! Just then, Candy Cane, Santa's wisest elf, rushed up, looking deeply concerned. Santa, Mrs. Claus, I've got troubling news. A dense fog blankets the world. It's so thick, even our reindeer's sharp eyes may struggle to pierce it. Oh dear, this is bad. I must deliver all these gifts tonight. The world's children are counting on them. What can we do? Oh my, we need a solution. We can't just sit idle. Can anyone assist? Can we rig lights to the front? No, they'd fall off. Perhaps the younger reindeer could lead. Their vision might cut through the fog. No chance. No matter how young, this fog's too heavy for any of them to see through. Well then, suggest something. What's your idea? I believe I've got the answer. Hey, Rudy. Got any plans tonight? I hope you're available. Nothing much, Santa. How do you know me? I know every reindeer's name. There's Sprint and Jumper, Twirl and Spark, Star, Arrow, Storm, and Flash. Rudy was stunned that Santa knew all his reindeer by name. Again? Fine. There's Sprint, Jumper, Twirl, Spark, Star, Arrow, Storm, and Flash. What are you doing? We're out of time. What's your plan? Calm down, dear. Rudy's our helper tonight. Champ, will you lead my sleigh tonight? Rudy was shocked by Santa's proposal. He hadn't anticipated it. He glanced at the other reindeer, who were equally stunned. So were Mrs. Claus and Candy Cane. But Santa was confident in his choice. I don't think I'm up for it. I've never done this. Rubbish. You're ideal. We need you tonight. Come on, Rudy. Take the lead. Get him ready, Candy. Candy Cane and Mrs. Claus outfitted Rudy like the other reindeer, preparing him for the task. Are you certain? Yes, my love. I have a hunch he and his glowing nose will guide us from now on. Everyone ready? Yeah. Hold on just a second. Safety first. On Sprint, on Jumper, on Twirl and Spark, on Star, on Arrow, on Storm and Flash, and Rudy. To the rooftops, to the walls. Now fly away, fly away, fly away all. Santa's sleigh crept forward, then soared into the starry sky. Rudy was anxious. He wasn't sure what to do. The other reindeer stared at him. They soon recognized Rudy's uniqueness and regretted mocking him. As the night grew darker, the fog thickened. Rudy and the team struggled to see. Rudy turned to Santa, who gave him a warm smile. Now, my lad, now. As the fog reached its densest, Rudy shut his eyes, and his nose glowed a brilliant red, brighter than ever. It illuminated the path for Santa and the reindeer. They cheered for Rudy with delight. With Rudy's radiant nose leading the way and the other reindeer's help, Santa delivered every gift to every child that Christmas night. Didn't I tell you? You're my special one. You'll always lead my sleigh with that shiny nose. You're my Christmas treasure. Thus, Rudy would forever guide Santa's sleigh. Through darkness, fog, or snow, Rudy would be at the front, lighting the way. Isn't it incredible? Rudy once fretted over his nose, but it proved to be his gift. In the end, it's what made him stand out. So, next time you gaze at the sky and see Santa's sleigh glide by, look for Rudy's bright glowing nose, for he'll surely be remembered forever.